Hello friends, welcome to a new lecture today. In this we are going to learn about the nerve supply of the scalp. So first we will see sensory supply of scalp and then we will see the motor supply of scalp. These are the nose, these are the ears. Okay, in the sensory supply of scalp, I'll just draw ears a little backward. Even here a little blacker, sorry. Yeah, now in sensory supply we have so we can divide it as in front of the ear and behind the ear. Sensory supply of the scalp can be divided as those which are supplying in front of the ear and those which are supplying behind the ear. If we see the nerves which are supplying in front of the ear include, we have supratrochlear nerve, supraorbital nerve, zygomaticotemporal nerve and auriculotemporal nerve. Okay, let me label it. This is supratrochlear nerve, okay, supraorbital nerve, zygomaticotemporal nerve, auriculotemporal nerve. See, all these supratrochlear nerve and supraorbital nerve are actually the ophthalmic branches of facial nerve. Ophthalmic branches of trigeminal nerve. I'm really sorry. Yeah, these supratrochlear and supraorbital nerves are ophthalmic branches of trigeminal nerve, whereas zygomaticotemporal is the maxillary branch of trigeminal nerve, whereas auriculotemporal is the mandibular branch of trigeminal nerve. So, sensory supply, if you see, supratrochlear and supraorbital are the branches of ophthalmic division of trigeminal nerve, whereas zygomaticotemporal is a branch of maxillary division of trigeminal nerve. Auriculotemporal is a branch of mandibular division of trigeminal nerve. These are the nerves which are supplying in front of the ear. Then if we see behind the ear, we have greater auricular nerve, lesser occipital nerve, greater occipital nerve and third occipital nerve. So what do we have? We have, this is greater auricular nerve, which is C2, C3. This is lesser occipital nerve, which is C2. Then this is greater occipital nerve, which is also C2. This is third occipital nerve, which is C3. So these are derived from cervical plexus. So we have greater auricular nerve, lesser occipital nerve, greater occipital nerve and third occipital nerve are the nerves which supply behind the ear. So this is first sensory supply. Now we will see the motor supply of the scalp. So the motor supply of the scalp, in the scalp the only and only one one muscle. Motor supply is muscle. It is supplying the muscle, right? The only and only one muscle which is present in the scalp is occipitofrontalis, which has two bellies. Frontal belly, which is originated from the eyebrows, skin of eyebrows and skin of the root of nose. And we have occipital belly. We have frontal belly. First, in occipitofrontalis, we have frontal belly, which is originated from the eyebrows and the root of the nose, where we have occipital belly, which is originated from the lateral 2/3 of superior nuchal line. Both these bellies are inserted into the aponeurosis, which is connecting both these muscles. Okay. Now, the nerve supply includes, we have temporal branch of facial nerve, which is supplying the frontal belly, and posterior auricular branch of facial nerve, which is supplying occipital belly. So this is temporal branch of facial nerve, and we have this is posterior auricular branch of facial nerve, which is supplying the occipital belly. So this is the motor supply of scalp. Okay, thank you guys for watching my lecture. Thank you.